Welcome to the Touch Prosthetics unit, which is situated in the University of KwaZulu-Natal within the School of Engineering. Meet Greg, a master student and the designer of the touch hand. We then have Drew, who is the inventor of the touch hand. Rion is the associate professor in mechanical engineering and is the project leader. And of course, we have John, our volunteer amputee.
Touch Prosthetics was established at UKZN in a bioengineering unit after research was conducted on a prosthetic hand.
Touch Prosthetics developed during the course of my Masters at UKZN. I was busy designing the first touch hand, and while I was doing that, I realized that the cost that it took to design the touch hand was significantly lower than the price that amputees were paying for advanced prosthetic hands. I realized that there was a great need for low-cost prosthetics and that it would not only benefit amputees here in South Africa, but amputees all over the world. Current advanced prosthetic hands can cost anything from 300,000 Rand up to R1 million. This is obviously an extremely high burden for amputees to cover, especially considering that most insurances will not cover the cost of a prosthetic hand.
So I'm the designer of the Touch Hand version 2. This hand is very comparable to commercial options and it has individual finger actuation and it is very aesthetically appealing. We have managed to design this hand at a very low cost, affordable price. The main challenges with this design were to get something similar to the commercially available options.
One of the main selections to reduce costs was to use ABS plastic. This is a durable plastic that is used in 3D printing technology, and it allows you to design anything in CAD software. You are able to print layer by layer using this printing technology.
Bio-mechatronics is the integration of mechanical engineering, electronic engineering, computer engineering and biology.
Hi, my name is John. I'm a bilateral below elbow amputee. I've been working with the gents at the University of KZN to develop the touch prosthetic hand. They've used me literally as a guinea pig to get feedback from myself as to what works, what doesn't work. The gents have developed the hand that's, number one, a lot more cosmetically appealing. And as an amputee, when you first lose your hand or a limb, I think that is a major factor that's taken into consideration. You get out into the world after being an able-bodied person and you presented with a couple of options. The cosmetic options that are very feasible and work very well are astronomically expensive and unaffordable to the general public. And the gents here are looking at developing this touch prosthetic hand, which will be affordable to everyone. And I think being able to get back into the real world with a hand that is aesthetically similar to a limb that you may have lost is a great, psychologically, a great comfort. I think it's one of the hardest obstacles that any amputee needs to overcome is the fact that you've lost a limb. The options are a prosthetic hook, which ultimately everyone turns and stares at. So I think from a reassurance and a comfort point of view, the touch hand will be a fantastic benefit to any disabled member of the community or the world.
Touch Prosthetics, hands that touch lives.